Hey guys, let's see how to replace the Apple AirTag battery. As you can see, it's low. I have the information here on my phone. And here I have the battery, which is CR2032. That's the one. And I'm wearing gloves here because it's easy to do that way, right? What you have to do here is just use your fingers and press and turn counterclockwise. So with the gloves, you have a better grip. There we go. I just remove it. And I remove the battery from here. So I have a new one here that I just removed from the package. It's a new one. I put it here. And you see now that I have the correct position here to put the cover back. You see that's working already there because I'm pressing the battery here. So I press and I turn clockwise again. With gloves, it's easier, right? So it's working now, as you can see. Now there is no indication of low battery anymore. I can also click here to play a sound. There we go. So it's connecting now and I can hear a sound. So it's working pretty fine. So that's the way you can replace the Apple AirTag battery. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up in your comments, and I see you in the next one.